Welcome to English Quiz Channel. Total questions 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started.
She has written a letter to her friend this week. They have had dinner together already. He has watched his favorite movie twice. We have met our friends many times this year. I have bought a new phone recently. The kids have played soccer several times this week. She has brushed her hair just now. They have driven to the airport 3 times today. He has finished his homework already. We have booked our tickets online for the concert. The teacher has given a quiz today. She has sung a song for her friends recently. I have had a great time at the concert before. They have cleaned the house this week. He has helped his sister with her homework today. We have watched 2 movies tonight already. The cat has slept on the couch for hours. She has bought a birthday gift for her brother. He has ridden his bike to school several times. We have washed the car before the road trip.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this mixed English grammar quiz and learned something new today. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quizzes and learning content.